So we have to, smash the ice. A round circle, I think that would be good. Do you want to have it in one piece?
So, who is the first one to jump in?
You want to jump in?
I'll jump in.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, we know you would.
I won.
Okay, it will be one piece now.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that will be too heavy, so 2 pieces. Hey! Reading time! Oh my word.
No.
Look at that. Swedish style. Do the hard way.